Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making homemade malted milk waffles. The addition of malt powder in these homemade waffles gives you a creamy and nostalgic flavor. I know you guys are going to love these homemade malted milk waffles as much as we do. Let me show you how to make them. Now these malted milk waffles have something special in them. You guessed it, they have the addition of malt powder. Adding malt powder to your waffles is going to give them a light and creamy flavor that you guys are absolutely going to love. So all you guys need is a mixing bowl and a whisk to make up these waffles. First, we're going to add 284 grams of all-purpose flour. Next, we have 28 grams of cane sugar. And next, we're going to add our malt powder. And I'm using King Arthur malt powder today because there really is no organic malt powder on the market as of yet. If you know of one, please let me know. Add in the malt powder, baking powder, and salt and whisk together. Once the butter is melted, then it's time to add the rest of the wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. So we have our melted butter, and then we're adding 2/3 a cup of milk and 1/3 a cup of heavy whipping cream. And then next we have 3 large eggs. And then last we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And next we're just going to whisk this together until you have a smooth waffle batter. Once you have a smooth waffle batter, then it's ready to put into the waffle iron. So I like to use between setting 3 and 4 on this Cuisinart waffle iron that I have. So you just want to make sure that you let your waffle iron preheat before we start adding in batter. So I have a square waffle iron today, and I like to put them just in the center so I get little triangles of waffles. So I'm going to use about 1/2 cup of batter to do that. If you guys want to make the full square waffles, you can use even more batter. And if you want to make even smaller waffles, you can just use less batter. This part is totally up to you. You guys are going to love these homemade malted milk waffles. And now if you guys want to break up your waffles into smaller pieces like I'm doing here, these freeze really well, and then you can just heat them up in your toaster oven whenever you're craving waffles. Now that your waffles are done, it's time to serve them, and you can serve them with anything that you like, from butter to maple syrup, fresh fruit, whipped cream, caramel sauce, blueberry syrup, and more. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy breakfast recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.